Good morning. I'm today at the Furka Pass at the hotel bed over there, and I'm gonna take you on a 15-minute walk that has some amazing views. So stick with me and let's go. The Furka Pass is one of Switzerland's most scenic mountain passes, and its most iconic part is definitely the Hotel Belvedere. The hotel was built in the 19th century to admire the Rhone Glacier, one of the most accessible glaciers in the world. The pass further rose to fame thanks to the 1964 movie Goldfinger. In the scene, we can see the sheer size of the glacier just behind the hotel. Since the movie, the Rhone Glacier has lost 600 meters. Half of this has been over the past 10 years. I really enjoyed this little hike. It's only 15 minutes from the parking, but the view is just well worth the effort. So make it up here if you can. And yeah, thank you for joining the adventure, and see you during the next one. Bye-bye.